ahead of that heat coming our way, we want to get back into talking about wildfire season. We're getting into the peak of it. So this morning we are tracking 3 wildfires that are burning in different parts of our state.
And we know the wind we're seeing will not help crews at all. We are starting with the Flying Bucket Fire. That's burning 19 miles southwest of the town of Maricopa right now. Crews with several fire agencies are working to battle the flames, with the Department of Forestry and Fire Management saying it's burned about 1,000 acres so far. Right now, officials say there are no threats to any roads or structures.
Now, we're also tracking the Horse Fire. This is burning near Horseshoe Reservoir. Officials with the Tonto National Forest say crews did make some good progress battling those flames Monday. So far, this one has burned more than 500 acres. It's only 5% contained.
And this comes just a day after the Sugar Fire burned 240 acres near Sugarloaf Mountain. That fire is now 70% contained. Its progress has been stopped. Crews say this is no longer considered a threat, and the cause of the fire is under investigation.
And 12 News is dedicated to keeping you informed throughout wildfire season. We know they can spark just like that. So for more details on any of the fires currently burning across our state, just scan this QR code that we've popped up here on your screen. It's going to take you to a page that will have all of the latest information there listed. You can also head over to 12news.com/wildfire.